Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to see community notes on Twitter. Let's begin with the tutorial. Open your Twitter app first, then make sure your internet connection is stable and you're logged into your Twitter account. Then over here at the bottom you can see the option of community. This icon you can see over here. You can see over here your communities you follow, then your community notes over here. Go to your certain community, then the community you follow can be seen over here on your top. Tap on it. There you can see your desired community notes, medias. Over here on the top you can see, let's see if what we can commit pushing coding to GitHub at least for one day. See, this is the community note you can see it over here. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.